Hi, my name is Viola Brown. I live in Carterville. Right now I take care of my father. He has Alzheimer's and dementia. I also have a few other clients that I sit with to help pay the bills. And I'm also a Social Security Disability Hearing Court Recorder. I came here because I'm tired of living in pain. I went to my doctor and she referred me to the Southern Illinois Orthopedic, and I've been there, and they want to do injections and burn my nerves and put an epidural in. And I seen the Synergy workshop on Facebook, and I showed my daughter. She's like, "Mom, we should go," because she's also having issues. So we came to the workshop, and I said, "I'll do whatever I can to get rid of this pain," because I have two grandkids that I want to be able to spend more time with and do more things with. So this is my first day. I got to see Dr. Sabroth, is that his name? And his wife. And after seeing both of them, I'm able to get up and down without pain. And I was able to pick up my purse for the first time in years without feeling that pain in my shoulder and my arms. So I'm a believer. I'm almost in tears because right now I'm in no pain whatsoever, and that has not been my life in so long. So I appreciate coming here, and I'm going to continue to come here, and I know I'm going to get better, and I'm not going to have those injections, and I'm not going to have my nerves burnt or an epidural, because right now I'm not feeling any pain. So I really appreciate coming here.